Do it again. Oh, he punched in your...
You hate that? Do you hate that?
Do it again, babe.
You're crazy. You're crazy. Okay, okay. It's like he's so mad to me. What is it?
Oh.
Sad baby. Happy baby. Sad baby.
Try your fishy.
No. No.
Sorry.
No. No.
Okay, sorry.
No. No.
Sorry.
Mama.
Filming now?
Give it to mommy.
Here, give it back. Is that good? Now do it again, Dolores.
Can I have it back?
Let Dad have it.
Give it to
Dad
Dada.
have it. Let Dad have it. Dad have it. Here, baby. Daddy's sorry. We just want to see you get a little growly mad.
Give it to mommy.
Give it to mommy.
What you are. Oh, and then what happened? No way. Oh my goodness, how did that make you feel? Oh, no way. Well, bless you. And then? Oh, that sounds awful. That is such a sad story.
Do it again, because I missed the first part.
Hello.
Hi there. There's that pretty face. I love my daddy. He makes me smile. He's hungry. Oh, those fingers taste good. Daddy time. What's he doing? Is he mocking you?
Here comes. Wait, that.
Just one?
That's it? That's all you got? Make it bubbles.
Put her on her belly again. I want to see her jump for you. That's really cute.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey. Oh.
That was really cute. She's trying really hard to do something.
Oh, Pumpkin. You know I just joking around with you. Oh, you're okay. You're fine.
Do it again.
You're fine. Alright.
Oh my God! Are you mad at Daddy? Watch him! Watch him! Watch him! Okay, buddy, buddy. What's he doing? Attack the daddy! Attack the daddy! Attack the daddy! Attack the daddy, Papa! Attack the daddy, Papa! Attack the daddy! Attack him! Ugh, not the nose. There goes the nose again. You have something for noses. No, you're taking a dirty nose already. But you got a more nasty.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Is it Hey, none of that. What are you doing? No. I love you. I love you.
Andrew, be nice. Dental. This is more fun. Video?
I'm stuck here.